Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you all the Redeo Ultrasonic Rodent Repeller. I did receive this item to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is truly my own. I just want you guys to be able to make a great decision for yourself if you're in need of some sort of pest repeller, pest killer, rodent killer, that sort of thing. So this is a great, safe alternative. It's an ultrasonic rodent repeller, so you won't have to deal with poison or having dead rodents on your property or in your house. This sets up an ultrasonic frequency to keep them away, which is really cool. So it's made for indoor use. 6,500 square feet is what it can cover. Here's how it comes packaged to you. The link is in my video description below. It can take you right to Amazon so you can see this for yourself. So without anything else to say, let's go ahead and open it up. All right, first thing we have out of the box is a user manual. Shows the model number, indicator light, speaker 1, speaker 2. So it just is telling you it emits a high frequency sound waves to repel rodents away from your house. And how I understand that is they vary in the frequency because the rodents maybe would not stay away depending on the frequency. So it has a variation to really keep them away so they're not getting used to anything. So for indoor use only, but really nice manual, really big, really easy to read. Nice photos right there. Here we have a little dear customer, thank you. There's a 20% off coupon you can use from their support. They got support listed for you everywhere, so that's really nice. Now let's look at the product itself. Nothing else in the box, but we have the product right here. Really compact size, looks really nice. You could put it right in the corner of your house, just how they show. And we have a nice cable as well. So it looks really cool. You got the indicator light there. You got your two speakers right here. On the back, we have, on the bottom, there's just nice legs that it can sit on. And then it looks like there's a channel right here, which is nice too. So you can put the cord through it on either side as well if you really wanted to butt it up against a corner or something, but you don't have power there. So we'll unwind the cable, we'll plug it in, and we'll see if we can tell. All right, guys, so I'm back here. It's plugged in. What's really nice is you can see the nice indicator light showing it's on. It is very quiet, but if I really listen and put it close enough, I can hear a pulsing noise. So I'm not sure. The microphone probably would not pick it up, but I'll put it really close and we can see. Not sure if that picked it up, but man, it's really quiet. So you could just put it in your house and forget about it, which is really, really nice. And then enjoy a lot of coverage without any sort of rodents around. So really a cool device. I'm going to go ahead and actually, I'm planning on plugging it in my garage to see if maybe it just keeps some squirrels away. It'll be really hard to track if it's really keeping rodents away because I don't have a lot of rodent infestation problems in my neighborhood. So I'm definitely going to put it in the garage and we can see maybe a follow-up video down the line how it's held up and have I noticed, you know, a decrease in squirrels and that sort of thing. So this is really cool. Go ahead, check it out. The link is in my video description below. It'll take you right to Amazon. You can read some reviews, see some photos, see some tech details, that sort of thing. So I really appreciate you guys being here. Also join my newsletter, check out my website, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. I'd love to keep interacting with you all, and I just appreciate you being here. Leave any questions, comments, hit that like button, hit that sub button, everybody, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks.